Thanks for joining us, guys. This is our brand new 32 Aquila, powered by twin 300 Mercuries on the back. And as you see here, huge space here. Beam is 12'9" on this boat, so tons of entertaining room. You got your standard hinge table right here. Make our way forward. Cup holders that come out of the seats here. Bolsters that come down. Joystick at the helm. 12-inch Raymarine display. Enough room for another one as well. Your vessel view. Your controls for your Fusion stereo system. It sounds great on this boat. As we make our way forward, over here on the port side, you have your cabin, full-size bed. And then towards your other side, you'll have your full head with a wet head. Prep station here in the center. Deep well for your sink. Your cockpit grill here. Under it is your fridge as well with all your controls. Move forward through here. Bow filler cushion that'll fill up this entire space for a huge lounge pad, and just huge seats for a 32-foot boat. This thing is enormous. So come see us over here at MarineMax in St. Pete. Again, my name is Gabriel Gonzalez.